sad that the vacation's almost over, so I hope you've enjoyed the video so far. There's still one thing left to do to test this Tamron at 24-70. We got to test it out at night. So tonight we are going to check out some of that nightlife goes on the boat. So tonight we are going to check out some of the nightlife that goes out on the boat, and we'll see what this lens can do in the evening hours when there's not as much light. Take advantage of that 2.8.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, before I proceed, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Jason. I'll be your chef for tonight, okay? And you know Bruce Lee. Let's do some Bruce Lee Chaku. That's my Bruce Lee Chaku. Let me put my sword before I hurt somebody.
Chicken baby now, chicken baby. Twist and shout, twist and shout. Come on, come on, come on, baby now. Just like a really would, just like a really would.
Let's do it. Ooh, ha, yummy, yummy. Yep. Don't run for me, Argentina.
Run. There you go.
And sir, ma'am, before I came here, I bring my favorite pet from Philippines to entertain everybody. Her name is Ichi. There we go. There goes my Itchy Bitchy Teeny Meeny Yellow Polka Dot Bikini. For the first time she wore it today. And Itchy Bitchy Teeny Meeny Yellow Polka Dot Bikini. In the closet she wanted to stay to try.